Dan Mule has been elected the AFC Leopards chairman in elections that were conducted by the IBC today. Mule bagged 1,160 votes, with his closest rival Maurice Amahwa securing 822 votes. Felix Shitsama won the deputy chairman slot after bagging 1,613 votes. Oscar Iaida won the Secretary General's post, with Elijah Stazo the Deputy Secretary General. Oliver Imbenzi was elected the Treasurer, and he will be deputized by Justus Makabila. One of the most closely fought slots was the Organizing Secretary's post. Timothy Lilungi won 6 votes, getting 920 to TV Pandit Gilbert Celebwa's 914. Irene Mukabi, Sol Shikuku and Sami Shikuku got seats in the Executive Committee.
So the winner is Mule Anthony Daniel with 1,160 votes. I want to thank all the branches. I want to thank all the delegates. I want to thank all the AFC Leopards fans. Football has won today. In football, we are all Kenyans. In the club, we are all Kenyans. There's no anything about tribal things. So it's